is a wonderful 18th century, mid-18th century pocket atlas. It's like a gazetteer. It's in a period binding, nice decorative Morocco gilt title label with that ornamentation, the paper marbled covered boards, like so. It's of note because of the date, and it's published in Amsterdam, 1758. It is considered among, if not the very first geography books aimed at youth and children, printed in Holland. The maps are engraved by Sepp, S-E-P-P, and they have original hand color. They're all printed on these large blank insets so that the map can be consulted while the book is being read, like this, to consult with the maps. I'm going to now take a quick stroll through this book to show the various maps that are within it. There are 22 of them, all with this, and they all are very primitive in appearance because they correspond to the text. They're supposed to be for instructional purposes. This one has a repaired short little tear right here, and this fold line is split, the map of Portugal. And other than that, I think the rest of them remain very well preserved, clean, like so. There, of course, is Spain. And of course, we have France. And let's see. Yes, look at this. There we are. Germany. Yep. And keep going. Look at that. Switzerland. There we are. And right here we have, oh yes, this one is, this Italy one here has been, someone's remargined it using paper long ago like that. It's pretty funny. Okay, and here we are with, yes, the Netherlands, so to speak, Low Countries, and there we are. Well, that's Netherlands, United Provinces, or something like this. And we have next, there we are, the British Isles, Ireland, Great Britain. Okay. Denmark. Fun little thing. The colors are very pleasing, very nice. Ah, this is great. Look at that nice map of Norway with Iceland up there. Look at that, yeah. Nice little map. And here we have Sweden and Finland, Scandinavia really. And there we have Russia. And next we get to here, Prussia. Okay. And then we have Poland. Yeah, map 17. And look at that, Hungary, as it then existed. And here we have Turkey in Europe, around the Black Sea and all. And next is, there we have Asia, from Arabia across to Japan. This is worth pointing out. This little location here appears to be the mythical Company's Land. The partial outline of this coastline here would be probably Company's Land, I would say. So if you collect maps that depict the mythical Company's Land or the apocryphal, that would be one you would not have. This is interesting. Someone has lightly used pencil to draw a grid on this map of Africa, like so. And interesting here, we got a mountain range coming down the center next to a large lake. But the Nile source is given as way up here. Interesting. Okay, and next we have this very pleasing map here of the Americas. And I believe that concludes the maps. There is an index, a Bladvisor, yeah, like a name index, and this scarce and well-preserved, lovely little pocket atlas is available now online from me, Brian DiMambro.